Do you think to start a channel without showing your face? So in this video, I give you 25 faceless channel ideas. From these channel ideas, you can earn and grow more. Our first channel about interesting facts. They'll be the star of the show while you remain 100% anonymous. Untold Facts is a good example, as the channel is faceless but has thousands of facts to share. And this channel earns $10,000 per month. Our second channel about quizzes and games. As example, this channel get more views by using this idea. And this channel earning is $12,000 per month. Third channel about magic tricks. Brightside channel upload magic trick content and also upload other content, and this channel earns $175,000 per month. Fourth channel about gardening and plant care. In this channel, plant care channel using your backyard, patio, or the space beside your kitchen window. For example, Amazing 2, this channel is about plants and does not show any face. And this channel earns $470,000 per month. Fifth channel about silent vlogs, day in the life without talking and showing face. This channel is not like vlogs like Ducky Pie and Surav Joshi, and there are many other vloggers. For example, Shin channel uploading vlogs, no face and no voice, and getting millions of views. You can see just uploading 19 videos and 1 million plus subscribers. And it's earning in $4,000+ every month. Sixth channel is about puppet shows and performances. If you're crafty and creative, this type of content is a great way to grow on YouTube while staying out of the spotlight. As example, Awkward Puppet channel upload this type of videos. And this channel gains 2 million plus subscribers by just uploading 105 videos. And this channel earned $5,000+ every month. Seventh channel is about remote control vehicles and competitions. This channel upload remote control vehicles and gains more views and subscribers. And this channel earns $109,000 per month. Eighth channel idea is about pets. This channel is best for pet lover. For example, this channel Baby Boom Boom is about pets. And this channel earns more than $94,000 every month.
Ninth channel is about wildlife watching. As example, this channel is like just going out and record video about animals and upload on YouTube. And this channel earns $13,000+ per month.
10th channel is about travel guides. Look at this channel about guide to travelers. And this is best idea for YouTube channel. This channel earns $4,000 per month. 11th channel is about book summaries. If you are a books lover, and you can upload videos about that knowledge you gained by that book you read. I open this channel and this channel also doing this, and there is very less competition in this niche. And this channel earns $10,000 per month. Channel 12 is about animated story times. This channel is mostly loved by the kids. And from this, you gain more views and subscribers. This channel Animated Time, animated making this type of content, and earns $12,000 per month. Channel 13 is about puzzles. These channel is mostly loved by the kids. And from this, you gain more views and subscribers. This channel Puzzle Guy also making this type of content and earns $100,000 per month.
Channel 14 is about DIY crafts. If you are an artist and then you can create any portrait, and like this channel you got lot of views and subscribers by just using your skill. And this channel earns about $115,000 per month.
Channel 15 is about satisfying cleaning. This channel Mountain Rug Cleaning also making this type of content. And earns $24,000 per month. Channel is about scary stories, true crime. This channel Nightmare also making this type of content. And you can see by just uploading 351 videos it gets 6 million plus subscribers. And this channel earns $42,000 per month. Channel 17 is about poetry and spoken word. This channel Steve Cuts also making this type of content. And you can see by just uploading 13 videos it is about to 2 million subscribers. And this channel earns $5,000+ per month. Channel 18 is about documentary. If you know about famous things and you think to make videos on it, then it's best niche. This channel Free Documentary also making this type of content. And this channel earns about $56,000+ per month. Channel 19 is about sports analysis. If you are any type of sports lover and you think to make channel, this is the best niche. This channel ESPENFC also making this type of content. And this channel earned about $513K.
Channel 20 is about gaming. If you play any game very well, this is the best niche. This channel Total Gaming is very famous gaming channel also making this gaming content. And this channel earns about $160K plus per month.
Channel is about music. This channel Lofi Music doing this and grows very well. And this channel have 14 million subscribers by just uploading 124 videos. This channel earns $134K per month.
So I hope you will find my video very well. And you need to select the channel idea which you think that is easy for you. Because once you open a best channel, then it is good for you to manage. Thanks for watching my video.